Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is early morning special. The mailman came by. I was surprised he came by this early. But we have a unboxing to do coming from... Let me double check. Give me 1 minute. Actually, 1 second. This is coming from my good friends over at Yostyle. Yostyle. Yo. Check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can see what other goodies they have to offer. And we have goodie number 1. Oh, yes. Amazon time. Man, oh man, this year's going by fast. So you might want to stock up on some Christmas ideas. This would be another great gift to get somebody. Oh, yes. Especially anybody that's in vlogging, gaming. You never have too many of these sitting around your room. Oh yes, this is a nice one. Bada boom, look at this clock. With 3 USBs, 2 power thingies, whatever they're called. I forgot. Thick cord. Let's see how this thing works. Really excited for this, so thank you guys at Yostyle. YouTubers, check them out. Links will be down below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. They'll ship this out fast. Like super fast. Let me plug this thing in. And this is a nice cord. Really nice. Thick cable. Oh, where are you? I need the power. Give me juice. Let the juice flow. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Alright. I'm gonna plug this one in. Let's see the magic. All that good stuff does. Here we go. Why won't it fit? What the heck? It's awkward. Hold on 1 sec. I'm trying to get it in a hole. Why won't you go in a hole? That's kind of weird. Alright, let me try. Shoot. I'm gonna try this wall. Dang. Alright. Yep, that fits. Alright. Here we go. Ooh, that's a nice glow. Nice LED. Let's remove this. Oops. I got an alarm clock. Oh yeah. This would be nice for any college dorm, apartment, condo, your office. There we go. I'm moving this slowly. That's nice. It has the 2 plugs there and the 3. So you can charge your tablets, you can charge your backup phones, your smartwatches. There we go, look at that. There it goes. Really nice, clear screen. We got the dimmer. Alright, switch. Up, down. Alarm clock. Off. Okay, that's the change the time is this one. It is 8:45 a.m. Wait a minute. Not sure what that means actually. DST. I'll have it off. How do we change? There we go. Up. 8:45. Oh. There we go. That was easy. So you just hold this for a few seconds and just adjust it. 45. Bam. Alright. And that is set. And it's alarm if you want set. And like I said, all you gotta do, hold this for about 3 seconds. It'll show military time. And then there you go. Now let's see what I can plug in here. Alright. Let me clean this little mess up here. I got the one plug that's going to my shredder. Not from the turtles, but the shredder. My phone's going crazy. Should be an easy pop in. That works. And then I use my power plug. I'll just clean up the wires a little bit. Make it a little nicer. Sometimes you gotta... I wish there was not so many wires for my stuff. Dog's going nuts. Give me 1 second, YouTubers. I didn't expect this. You know, messy. Here we go. Alright, that is a lot cleaner. Now I'm going to turn my power strip on by using that power strip. Oh no, you're to be alive. And there you go. Turned on perfectly. And that's a 2. And like I said, whoops. Shoot. Okay, that still works. See, there's a switch in the back. And let's see what the bottom looks like. So you can have a 9-volt, I do believe. I don't want you guys to feel like you guys are drunk right now. I'll put you down. Oh, it is AAA, so in case you don't want to use your power, you can use the batteries instead as like a backup. In case you do lose power, you're gonna want the 2 AA's in there. Just like I said, so that you have some kind of use of the clock. So you know what time it is, so you don't have to miss work or school. So that is awesome. Let me grab, whatchamacallit, USBs. I got a couple around, so let me move to the area and we'll have some fun. So like I was saying, grab your, oh there's 3, okay. One more. Yeah, grab one more. There we go. Spider pig. Spider pig. There we go. So you go like this. A lot of boom. Plug that in there. Now see, I got one of these funky smartwatches where you gotta unplug the wristband. Somehow, there it goes. See, like that. That's the charge. So you can stick that. I gotta do it to the side. Here we go. Should be. And for the final one, we'll use this clock security camera. Oops. Should be charging both. We know it works. There we go. That's plugged in. So I'm just going to stick this into here. Sorry about the long video, guys. I didn't expect it to be this long. Why isn't that? Oh, that one don't fit. Alright, here's the third one, goes in here. So like I said, smartwatches, your tablets. Look at that. Bada boom. I like the glow. Everything else is perfect. So you guys could get one at a low cost. Something new. I've never seen one of these before in the store, so definitely check them out, YouTubers. Link is going to be down below. You guys be safe. Got another video coming up, and see you guys in a minute. See ya.